it's CC-Wiz67. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to make a Red Hood helmet. Let's get to it. What you will need: Plasti-Dip, EVA foam, red spray paint, quick seal, a heat gun, utility blade of your choice of adhesive. So now you'll be needing to get some templates and 2 sheets of 5mm EVA foam and trace your templates onto the foam. You can always use something like cardstock or something more firm to get the templates a little bit more accurate, but I didn't need to. You don't need to, so I just went in, and then you just got to cut your pieces out with the blade. So you can see I'm redoing my blade. I'm snapping the tips off because I do not want to sharpen it because I can't find my sharpener. So just, cut it out and make sure you have a nice sharp blade so it comes out clean. Heat forming, so you just want to get your heat gun in your foam and just put little grooves into it and make sure so when we glue it together it's not all boxy and a little bit more fluid and clean. Now I'll be starting your gluing process. As you can see, I'm pulling out the contact cement again. Make sure you just put a layer of it on both sides. Wait like 5 minutes till it gets tacky. Put it together, and that should be a very strong and clean seam. So I just want to do this to all your pieces. I would say you should start off with the little cuts inside the pieces, and then bring in the bigger seams together after that, so it just has a more uniform look to it. So just do that to all of the pieces. By this point, I'm trying to get my little size a little bit better. So you can see I put it on my mannequin. I tried to. I have to do little things to get it on. A lot of things, actually. So I can get it on flush. And then this is when I get my heat gun. And then you just want to put it into spots where it should fit a little bit more better. So in your nose crevices, on your chin, your ears, just so it stays on your face better and doesn't wobble around. And also, you should give it some definition during this process with the eyebrows. So just heat up the eyebrows and put some bends and folds into them. It'll come out really nice, and that's good. At this point, I realized it was not going to come off the mannequin easily, and I did not want to destroy the foam. So I'm making a kind of hinge system kind of thing. So as you can see, I'm designing it right now. I just want some sharp edges. I'm using contact cement on there to apply it to both sides. But I should have done this before I applied the contact cement, which is cut a back piece out, as you can see, and then you just pull it on tug it from some places, and it comes out pretty nice. So now I just try to see what it would be like without it. And then I'm adding my pieces. Gotta heat form it a little bit more down because it's way too far up. That just looks weird. So that takes me a while, and some elastic bands to pull that piece back down, so you can take it off and on a little bit more seamlessly, and also so it like has a good like tugging function. Trying to make it a little bit better with the seams and stuff, and I realized that two of the elastic bands on the opposite sides are kind of weak, so I am designing a foam piece that will fit with the little hinge piece to just give the helmet a little bit more definition, and it should look pretty good. So you can see it. So you just gotta apply contact cement to both sides, apply it to the part that I'm applying it to on the helmet. So just apply it to the inside and the out, so it has that good kind of bend in it. And it also turns out really good. Got the helmet, I sealed it with some Plasti Dip, and then I painted it red. So you could have used acrylic paint or a spray paint, which is what I use because it's just easier and able to get a better finish for me. Also, I didn't have any brushes, so that's what it looked like. So this helmet, I guess, came out pretty good for costing how much it did and how fast I made it. So this part right here, I did want to put this right there. I just didn't know if that would look good or it would be like, I don't know, it just looks a little bit off for some reason. Maybe it was just a little bit smaller, maybe. But, I don't know. But I'll probably do a video about how to weather a helmet, like props and costumes, like different techniques. So that, be on the lookout for that. So this is how I made my Red Hood helmet. That video, make sure you guys guys comment, like, and subscribe. New videos should be coming out next week. And